Alright guys, we're getting the drain pipe in. We had to divert this gutter. We ran a pop-up over there. And here's the base dug out. About to start putting down crusher. End of day one. Got the base set in. There's 4 tons of crusher run to bring it to a 4-inch grade. And see you guys, patio is done. Alright guys, the patio is done. Looking good, looking good. Alright. We went with a 45-degree herringbone on this one. I just love these colors. Let's see what it looks like from up here on the porch. Look at that. Look at her. Smile. Alright, so let's look at the after project. We did all this too. Remulch these beds. We actually installed these beds. I have, I'll throw the before picture in this video. This was all grass just 2 years ago. So, give you guys a tour. Put all this metal edging in. As I said, I installed all these beds, all these plants, but today we just remulched that. We reinstalled the metal edging, put these pavers in, put a pop-up cap here. Actually, I got to switch that vent out and put a pop-up cap because we ran short. Here's another one. That's what it's supposed to look like. And this is actually part of that white pipe back there. It goes under the patio. All right, because I just didn't want it washing out on the patio anymore. So, here are the flower beds. Here's this one. All right. Yeah, for the city. Yes, I can. And that's not anything to do with you and me, right? All right, so I put this one here, that one here, and then back here, I installed another drain. I ran out of pop-up caps, so I just put vents there for now so you don't break your foot.